What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today is fight night.
Ready for a historic UFC 268 with Usman Covington 2. You know, so I try to see Rose defend against Zhang Weili and Justin Gaethje. Challenge is gonna be crazy.
And to pair up with this awesome fight card, we're making jalapeno, piquillo, Anijitos. Boom! It's gonna be fire. Check out this recipe.
Let's get into it.
Alright, an Anijito without tortillas. Today we're gonna make a classic flour tortilla. To our bowl, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll go with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of fat. Today we're using vegetable shortening. We're gonna add 2/3 cup of warm water. We're just gonna combine our mixture here until we got a shaggy dough forming. We're gonna transfer our dough over to our work surface and knead it further. We're gonna knead for about 2 more minutes just to form that gluten. We got our beautiful, smooth, supple dough here. Get into a little bit of a ball shape. We're gonna let it rest in our bowl here for about 1 hour just to loosen it up. Just tuck her in with a little bit of saran wrap. Don't want it going dry on ya.
Got a few strips of bacon here. Throw it in the cold pan, render it down, crisp it up. It's gonna be part of the filling for our Anijito. Can't make an Anijito without the filling. First things first, we're gonna thinly slice the shallot and begin to caramelize it in the pan. Next, I'm gonna thinly slice 3 cloves of garlic. We got 1 large jalapeno. I'm gonna cut it in half, take out the ribs and seeds, slice it thin, and throw it in the bowl with our garlic and shallots.
Imagine we get pro, we like, oh my.
So our bacon finished cooking in this pan. We're gonna throw a little olive oil in there and begin to saute those beautiful vegetables we just sliced up. Our oil's hot, we're gonna add the veg. We're gonna add a little fresh cracked black pepper, pinch of salt. Just let this saute till everything becomes nice, golden brown and delicious. We got a little more oil in our pan. I'm gonna toast up some chili powder, about a teaspoon, and a little Cajun as well. Just gonna let it become real fragrant in this oil, kind of toast it up in the pan, and then stir it into our veg. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. Take this white wine, glaze our pan, get all those beautiful brown bits off the bottom, scrape it all up, just let it keep cooking. The last ingredient to our pan is these finely diced Piquillo Peppers. Throw them in, give us a little sweetness, a little heat. Mixy mixy, we'll let it cook for 2 more minutes, and then we'll begin to make the filling for the Anijito.
Our saute just came off the heat. We're gonna add 250 grams of cream cheese. Just the plain stuff. We're gonna use that residual heat and just slowly melt in that cream cheese. We did temper it outside the fridge for about 2 hours, so it's easier to work with. For this, we're gonna add about 1 ounce of chopped cilantro and some of that crispy bacon we did earlier. Nice and creamy, cheesy, good color. For that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sour cream, lime zest, lime juice, cracked pepper, yeah, 1 more mix. There you have it, our loaded jalapeno filling.
We're gonna pour it into our little saute pan here and let it cook until it's thickened up.
We have our rest of dough here. We're gonna portion about 6 or so pieces. Flour our work surface here. So a little sprinkle. Get our dough. Nice. Press her down. She's nice and relaxed. Knead her just slightly. Take our rolling pin. Let's give it a little rub down too. Inside out. Just push down. What we're gonna do is take her out to about 12 inches here. All right, we're just gonna do a perfect shape here. to our plate. We're just gonna cut around. Move this excess, and voila.
Flour tortilla right into a hot pan. Just gonna wait for it to bubble up and blister. Give it a flip. As you can see there, the bubbles are beginning to form. We're gonna flip our tortilla over, put it on that side, cook the other side for about 30 seconds to a minute. We get a nice, crispy, light, fluffy, airy tortilla. It's gonna be amazing with the Anijito. Let's roll an Anijito. Take some of our cream cheese filling, spread it out right to the edge. Next up, we got shredded cheddar with a little cilantro in there. Spread that all out evenly. Now let's roll this bad boy up. We're gonna slice it into 6 equal pieces, put it in the oven, and let's finish it off. Start by cutting off the ends, cut it in half, then make 2 even cuts. Gonna throw them on a parchment lined baking sheet. We'll throw them in the oven at 350 for about 7 minutes. Till all the cheese is nice ooey gooey and melted.
All right, we have a chive sour cream made here. Right here we have our mango sauce. Anijitos.
Delicious. Let's dig in.
Look at that.
Dips. Cheesy.
Oh yeah. Man, sweet, spice, kiss of lime, fresh.
Texture on those fresh tortillas is unreal.
Oh man, so good. Dynamite.
These dogs are playing like crazy. We gotta go. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you next Saturday.
Peace.